Hey guys, it's Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be coloring. Sorry guys, it's too bright in here. A donut squishy. Oh, hi Jack. A donut squishy. And this squishy. I think it's a cupcake. And I gotta close my curtains because it's getting too bright. I'm just gonna close my blinds so it's not that bright anymore. Okay, let me go. Now it's too dark. Jack, stop. Jack, stop. I just need one blind open. What about? Okay, whatever.
I fixed it.
No, Jack, you're breaking it. You're breaking it. Sorry, guys, I might not be able to do this video. Jack, no. He just broke my table, so yeah, can't fix it. Oh no, I dropped the glass. Sorry. Jack, go in your room.
No.
No monster trucks.
Yeah.
Get out. Go with mommy. Okay, fixed it. Okay, whatever. So, I have all these markers right here. One part pans. These two. Which one should I do first? Cupcake or donut? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Well, you have 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, did you do it? If you did, you get one of these squishies. You get one of these squishies. Okay, let's get started. So, I'm just gonna set you guys up right here. Which one should I do first? I think I should do cupcake first. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pick. Well, maybe I should do donut. Yeah, I'm gonna do donut. I'm gonna pick pink. Yeah, pink. Gonna pick. Let's just dump all these colors out. Yeah, there we go. Hi Fluff. I'm going to use this pink first and color a sprinkle. Some sprinkles. Oh no! Okay, there's the sprinkles. Bad. Terrible. Yeah, whatever. Okay, whatever. Now I'm just gonna do blue. Seriously. Okay, there it is so far. It might well, it's starting to look good. I mean, yeah. Now let's add some purple. Purple there. Purple there. Purple there. 4. And purple there. Okay, there's that. Okay. I'm just gonna color it yellow for the now. If I've left Okay, guys, my cat is so close to ending this video. Okay, here we go. Can you move your little paw? There you go. Okay, good. These will not get on your hands when you squish them. It'll just get your hands glittery. I'm first gonna color the bow. What color should I do the bow? Pink, gold, blue, whatever this color is. Purple, like a greenish bluish. Where's teal? I don't know. Yellow or silver. Okay. Pick one of these colors. Okay. I think I'm going to color the bow this color. If you pick this color, then, whoa. If you pick this color, then you get a prize at the end of this video. I'm kidding, you don't. That's just my brother, you guys. There it is so far. Now I'm gonna do some yellow sprinkles. There's no more. Oh, there's some sprinkles. There's one there. There. Okay. There it is. Now, let's just color. Okay. I'm going to do the icing blue because if you know me, that's my favorite color, so yeah. Oh my gosh. This is it so far. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that was my brother. Don't mind my brother. Here's the squishy. Okay. Oh my gosh. There it is. It looks weird. Yeah. Didn't even get on my face. Wow. And that's the finish. Okay. So, now I'm going to color this one. Of course, the heart's going to be pink. Of course. Wait. How about you check out my next video to see what this one looks like? Yeah, I'll just color this one. This is before, and this is after. brother making loud noises down there. Okay. Here it is. I'm gonna make the frosting. Let's see. What color should I make the frosting? Purple? Yes, let's just do it purple. Whatever. Da. Sorry guys, that's my cat. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. You can't really see what the thumbs up looks like, but yeah. It kind of looks like a carrot. My cat's asleep right there, guys. Okay, guys. You could check out my next video. I will leave it. How about you check out my next video? About to make it in a little while. Mikey! If you guys like this video, make sure you give me 2 thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Bye! I'm kidding, guys. I'm not gonna leave. I gotta finish coloring this. So far, this is all that's done. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna do this the easy way. I haven't colored this halfway, but I'm gonna grab. Whoa, where's the cap for this? Right here. I'm gonna throw these 2 colors at this, and it's gonna be colored. Whoa, is it colored? Oh, it colored. See, it colored. I just gotta do blue. Ready, blue. Kidding. I'm actually just gonna color blue. Just like that, blue is good, done. What color should I do the bow? Silver, gold. Yes, gold. I get silver and gold mixed up all the time. I'm good in gold. Gold, gold, gold. There it is so far. It might look bad in the camera, but it's actually good. Really good. Okay. I'm going to do the bottom yellow. Well, this kind of yellow. Well, actually, I'm just going to grab a bunch of colors and make it cool looking. Cool looking. Just cool looking. It's not really looking cool looking, but I don't care. At least it's getting colored. It's kind of looking like uniform something. Okay, guys. Oh no, what happened? Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you. Vintage squishy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. And check out my next video. Bye!